had to step in with no delay. A double take when I saw you there. Honey, you need your back hair. So I stopped and think what to do. Pass you by, walk up to you now. Well, if I don't, I'll be a crazy fool. And you should know I like it raw. Oh baby, 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 I like it raw. Give me the mic so I can take it away. Now when I say that I like it raw, I'm talking about keeping it real, that's all. So hush up, but we can skip the game. Come over here, daddy, tell me your name. Now even though I got things to do, I'm riding on me and you. This is something that we got to do. You should know I like it raw. Oh yeah. Oh baby, I like it raw. 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 I've been feeling strong about it. Real love, no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. I've been feeling strong about it. Real love, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. Oh baby, I like it raw.